Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Arif Laila Dhani with NIM 19, Student Office Administration Education from Class A, Class of 2023, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, 11 Maret University, Surakarta. In this video, I will explain my opinion about the role of Generation Z in the 2024 election. Previously, did you know what elections are? Elections are a means of implementing people's sovereignty in the unitary state of the Republic Indonesia is based on Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution. The aim is to select government leaders, both executive and legislative, and to form a government that is democratic, strong, and has the support of the people in order realizing national goals in accordance with the 1945 Constitution. Elections have an important meaning as a means of realizing people's sovereignty. In a modern democratic system, people's sovereignty can only be managed optimally through institutional representative. The quality of election is measured by respecting and protecting freedom citizens in exercising political rights, including the absence of intimidation and discrimination, increase community involvement in the implementation of election, shows the increasingly strong democratic order in a country. The 2024 election is getting closer. There are only a few months left for Indonesia to hold a party 5-year democracy. Youth have an important role by selling ideas to stakeholders, collaborate with election organizers, and participate in monitoring and become part of a party or election participant to realize quality election. To win an election, one of the conditions that must be met is to have obtaining the most votes from voters based on established procedure. The deciding vote, this victory consists of several levels of society with different generations. When it comes to the implementation of the 2024 election, the role of Generation Z cannot be seen just one eye. It can be said that Generation Z will have a big influence on victorying the votes of the candidates for the 2024 general election. One reason is because of the number of Generation Z very much. It can reach 40% of the population of Indonesia. In terms of political participation, Generation Z dominates as a percentage of the number of voters. The millennial generation will contribute a lot of votes in the 2024 election. This group includes a very young generation and up-to-date with information spread in the mass media and internet. In terms of current politics, the participation of Generation Z is really stealing the attention of every candidate political. Due to the intensification of access to information from the use of digital technology or social media opens up space to access various issues widely and quickly. Elections are the heart of democracy to realize people's sovereignty. Therefore, Generation Z has an important role in implementing this sovereignty by participate politically to general election held by the government. One form of participation is choosing a leader figure who is able to carry change, people, and free from corruption. Generation Z must also know the track record and achievement of each candidate. Gen Z's political attitude should be more intense and not apathetic in their judgment political. As a decisive voice, it is necessary for Generation Z to be proactive in evaluate the condition of political democracy which is in the public spotlight. so that the election implement really brings change and has an impact on improving welfare society significantly. Generation Z with a collective consciousness has a responsibility which is very important in determining the right political choice without being influenced by propaganda and political rhetoric for personal gain. Gen Z's understanding of the world of politics should be further honed so that in the future is not only used by candidates to have the votes that Generation Z has. Therefore, considering that 2024 is coming soon, it is important to embrace returning to Generation Z to increase their insight into the world of politics, especially in the implementation of the 2024 election later. Hopefully, the 2024 election will be an opportunity to restore dignity implementation of the democratic system in the country, which still draws a lot of attention from people involved with Generation Z is active. Generation Z is the hope for the future of Indonesia. I hope Generation Z understand the role, function, and importance of their existence in the 2024 election. Generation Z, the future of the country is in our hands. Come participate in the 2024 election. Your voice has the power to shape a better future. Don't abstain so that we care and have an important role in democracy. That's all my opinion. If there are any mistake, please forgive me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.